Since YC ended, we've been cooking like crazy over at Thunder Compute. If you go to our homepage, the first thing you'll notice is the pricing. We keep it front and center. These are the best prices you'll see anywhere. We come in 40% cheaper than the cheapest GPUs I've seen on any other site. Most of the changes are behind the scenes. So if we head over to the console, this is the new homepage, which shows the instance usage, the instances that you have running up here. The other big thing we added is create functionality in this UI. So if I click the create button, it makes this pop-up, which has options on what you want to put in your new GPU instance. So you can use these defaults. You can choose a template based off of whatever AI model you're trying to run. Let's say I want to use the Ollama template and run DeepSeek or something similar. I can click create instance, and here we are. My instance is starting. If you've ever used AWS, this is a huge contrast. They have like 30 menus you click through. You have to learn it all. It's like a line item you put on your resume. If you want to delete that instance, we have this delete button. You can press it, delete it, and you're good. That instance is gone. You're not paying for it. That's all on the homepage. There's a couple of settings, like the basic stuff you'd think, resetting password, logging out, API tokens to log into the command line, billing over here, where you can connect to Stripe and pay for these instances you're using.